All right, Frank, we're ready.
Okay, so this is my new lock, and to get into it, have a whole stack of strong locks. Picks up that magnet. Then I take my special tool to fit down in there. Picks up this other magnet. Then I can take out this rod connector and that just comes out to get the lid loose, and you just reverse it to lock it up. So I just put it back in like that, nice and snug. Pick up this magnet, put it right back in, and then this one goes back in. Other way up. And that's how it goes. And then you can't get in there for nothing.
All right. And that was what, a new locking system?
Yeah, my idea how to lock it up. So no toothpicks, nothing gets down in the slot of the key, the keyway. So lots of fun.
All right. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah.